사탕을 한가득 사 먹고
Candy for dinner.
남의 말을 풀어주고 별것도 아닌데 감탄하는 어린이 같은 녀석.
Cool like Club Bombay from Moesha.
Things are behind in Indiana.
그녀의 시간은 어디서부터 멈춰버린 걸까요? 평범한 크리스마스를 보내던 내 여자.
Let's go! Let's go!
느닷없이 들이닥친 군인들에게 이끌려 방공호를 나섭니다.
Kimmy, I think we counted wrong. It's not Christmas.
From an underground apocalypse cult.
이들은 사이비 교주에게 납치되어 15년간 감금된 채 지내왔고
Ladies, welcome.
Thank you, Bryant.
Richard told us that there had been a nuclear apocalypse.
아주 극적으로 세상으로 돌아오게 되었던 건데요.
Thank you, victims. Thank you.
피해자 취급이 지겨웠던 키미는 고향으로 돌아가지 않기로 합니다.
I'm not going back. What? Everybody in Durnsville is always going to look at me like I'm a victim, and that's not what I am.
Take some of my MoFund money. Also,
I'm your secret Santa.
adios.
넉넉한 주머니와 함께하는 화려한 도시 생활은 즐거웠지만 험한 세상, 집은 있어야 했고
Apartments. Where is your grown-up? Stranger danger!
집을 구하려면 구직이 먼저였는데요.
It's going to be wonderful for him to have a roommate. And he's single, but very gay.
What is it, Lillian? Who is this? May I see a recent letter of employment or 2 recent pay stumps? I pronounce you ridiculous. Come back when you got a job.
And I'm interested in any employment.
다시 만난 꼬마 좀도둑. 이번에야말로 버릇을 고쳐주려던 그녀는 약간의 오해 덕분에
Please get in here. You know I'm not allowed outside.
What do you mean you're not allowed outside? Is that your reverend? Do you need help?
$17 an hour cash under the table. You'll
취업까지 성공합니다.
I got a job. It pays $17 an hour under the tables, but I can pay in advance right now with my tax refund.
When will I be getting my money?
What about my money? Slavery reparations, Lillian.
I will be very comfortable in here.
룸메이트 타이투스는 도둑놈이었지만
So that's $950. And of course, there's a 1-month security deposit.
그저 신난 키미는
So what do you want to do tonight?
그와 함께 생애 처음 클럽을 찾는데요.
We should go dancing someplace cool like Club Bombay from Moesha.
뒤늦게 돈가방이 너무 튄다는 걸 깨달았고
Does this backpack look babyish?
때로는 튀는 게
Someone yanked my backpack! But you gotta help me find it! It's a purple...
대단히 위험하다는 것도 배웠죠. 게다가 뉴욕의 실업률에 기여하게 된 그녀.
I'm so sorry, I was...
This is strike 3.
You're okay. You are a person. You're farming! Kimmy! I can't do this. Reverend Richard was right.
타이투스에게 자신이 두더지 여인 중 하나라는 것을 털어놓는데요.
I am one of the Indiana mole women.
Pack up your trifles and whatnots.
What?
Get your things and go home. New York City is not for you.
그는 키미가 뉴욕에 결코 적응할 수 없을 거라며 돌려보내려 하죠.
My name is not Titus. My name is Ronald Wilkerson. I changed my name to Titus Andromedon, and I marched myself in to audition for The Lion King. You want to know what I do now? I dress up in that robot costume in Times Square, and I pass out flyers for an arcade. Take your rent money back, buy yourself a bus ticket, and leave this place.
잔뜩 풀이 죽어 귀향하려던 키미.
Oh, secret Santa.
더 최악일 때도 포기한 적이 없었던 걸 떠올립니다.
The whole world was destroyed and everything died.
I found this! If all the animals are dead, where'd this rat come from? Titus Andromedon!
Life beats you up, Titus. You can either curl up in a ball and die like we thought Cindy did that time, or you can stand up and say, we're different. Because that is what you came here to do. Sing along, hang a Macarena. Sing along, hang a Macarena.
뉴욕화가 되기 위해 가장 필요한 건 일자리. 고용주 제클린은 아들의 생일 파티를 제대로 준비하면 복직시켜주겠다고 약속합니다.
But this is your last chance. You have 4 hours to plan a superhero birthday party.
You won't regret this, Mrs. Voorhees.
들뜬 키미는 타이투스의 꿈을 위해 당분간 생활비를 책임지겠다고 하는데요.
Let me take care of the rent for a little while.
Oh, wait, man. I can't give you your security deposit.
그러나 타이투스는 시작부터 의상 보증금을 떼었고
Unacceptable!
같은 처지의 친구들은 한둘이 아니었죠.
Hey, jackass! Wait, is that from Ray Ray's costume depot?
It's a scam.
하찮은 짝퉁 캐릭터들의 모습에서 묘수를 떠올린 깡통맨.
I know what we're gonna do.
법의 힘으로 보증금을 받아냈죠.
And by renting these costumes, you're infringing on the intellectual property. Pay up, old man. Every cent that you owe these losers.
허세 만땅 사춘기 딸 젠피티와
And I think she has alcohol poisoning.
And I'm going to have to tell your stepmother that you were drinking.
No, you don't. I'm 15, and I'm pretty much your boss.
청순한 뇌의 부자 사모님 제클린.
But I really need to talk to you about your stepdaughter.
Xanthippe?
We're drinking alcohol on purpose.
I can't deal with this right now. Today is too important.
Someone needs to ground her.
Okay, you can try.
키미는 이들과 친해지기 쉽지 않다는 생각이 들었는데요.
Oh, I hope you're joking. This looks like a party for a child. As many as you have to so that when Julian comes home, he knows that he's at his son's birthday party. Julian should be here any minute.
고용주가 시킨 대로 훈육을 시도했지만
Your stepmother expects you to be at your half-brother's party. Because nannies like you, I chew you up and I spit you out. Just like all my food.
땅속에서 15년을 보낸 키미가 요즘 애들을 말로 이길 수 있을 리가 없었죠.
My mom said I can't open any presents until my dad gets home.
생일 당사자는 종일 우울한데
Kimmy. Oh. Huh? Can you help me, please? To make tonight extra special for Julian, I'm going to recreate our first date.
제클린은 아들의 기분에는 전혀 관심이 없었고
And we snuggled all night because he fell asleep on top of me.
젠티피는 계속 키미를 무시하는데요.
The babysitter tried to bust me for drinking. I met this surfer, like blonde, blue eyes, tan, okay?
가장 줄리안이 오지 않는다는 소리에 파티는 취소되었고
I have a birthday update. Not yet left London. Obviously, you needn't stay.
철딱선이 없는 엄마는 기어코 애 생일을 망쳐버렸죠.
And I never should have trusted you.
퇴사를 땡기는 순간
I'm sorry, Titus, but you can't stop working.
Say what?
I have to quit my job. The mother is having some sort of breakdown while her stepdaughter is running around drinking and sexing.
키미의 머릿속을 스쳐간 무언가.
You've read like 2 books in the last 15 years. You're not gonna...
Urethra!
젠티피가 친구들에게 풀던 썰은
Hey, Zan, going somewhere?
벙커 속에서 읽고 또 읽었던 청소년 소설 속 얘기였다는 것.
Everything you've said about your boyfriend is straight out of Babysitter's Club Mystery number 12. It'd be a shame if Simone or Vidalia were to find out your story was a lie. 'Cause you're fudging grounded.
Look.
키미는 버클리에게 끝내주는 생일 파티를 선물했고
Thanks, Kimmy. Awesome party.
Mrs. Voorhees?
상심한 제클린을 위로하고 그녀의 유료 친구가 됩니다.
Kimmy, I think my marriage is falling apart.
Just take it 10 seconds at a time. Everything will be okay.
You're my best friend. I need human contact. Spoon me.
하지만 복직을 하고도 벙커에서 벗어나지 못하던 키미는 심한 스트레스에 시달리는데요. 남들이 자신을 불쌍히 여기는 것이 싫었기 때문이었지만
Kimmy Schmidt, you are clearly repressing some stuff and it is very unhealthy.
That noise. The way you're looking at me. Like I'm a freak.
같이 사는 사람의 행복을 위해 변화가 필요했습니다.
I need my beauty sleep. I'm having my head thanks to you. I finally had the money to do this right.
Oh, word up.
The rent, the electric bill.
Hope I'm not interrupting anything.
그리고 여기 비밀이 많은 또 하나.
But can you at least tell me where your family's from?
사실 미국 원주민 가정의 딸이라는 비밀을 감춘 제클린.
But I don't want to live my whole life in Bear Creek, South Dakota. I know you don't approve of what I'm doing, but you'll change your tune when I'm married to 1992's sexiest man alive, Nick Nolte. Goodbye. Why does it matter where I'm from? It's where I'm going that counts.
그녀는 한 번도 키미의 출신을 문제 삼지 않았지만
Hey, how's it going?
Look, Kimmy, I don't think I have your cell number. Here, you can take one of my old cell phones.
Wow, is this a Macintosh? What?
키미의 무지는 그런다고 감춰지는 수준이 아니었죠. 제클린은 대화 상대가 필요하다는 키미에게 소개팅을 주선했고
And I do happen to know all the richest bachelors in Manhattan. We'll go spruce up and meet him at Bistro Madison.
얼떨결에 생애 첫 소개팅을 나가게 되죠.
Grant Belden?
좀 많이 연상해
Here you go. Good dog.
키미와 비슷하게 과거에 갇혀 계신 분이 나와 계셨는데요.
The crowds had us surrounded in Bastogne.
대나무 숲으로는 안성맞춤이었습니다.
I can talk to you and you won't think I'm a freak. I was kept underground for 15 years by an insane preacher.
프로필 촬영을 가려고 나섰던 타이투스는
Why are you so dressed up?
릴리안에게 딱 걸려버립니다.
And if I had any money, I would give it to you.
But you're walking around.
To a funeral.
처음 보는 한국인 아저씨 장례식까지 참석하며 혼신의 연기를 펼쳤지만
What is that?
Close your eyes. Make a wish. When you want me to.
릴리안은 사실 그에게 돈이 있다는 걸 알고 있었는데요.
That was humiliating.
I was doing my exercises.
Here, take it.
Wait.
사실대로 털어놓자 오히려 응원해주기까지 합니다.
Here, take the money. You need to share your talent.
하지만 잊지 맙시다.
Nice suit, money bags!
Oh no!
여기는 뉴욕이란걸요.
Jackie Lynn.
Jackie Lynn is a cheap stripper name.
제클린에게는 부자 백인인 남편을 만난 것이 최고의 성공이었지만
And someday, I'll have enough money so you guys can come to New York and live with me.
You've forgotten everything we taught you.
We wanted you to come back with us, but this feels like goodbye.
뿌리 깊은 속물일 뿐 나쁜 사람은 아니었는데요.
대지 할라이.
부자 노인을 소개해준 것도 본인 기준 최고의 호의였죠.
Sometimes the Reverend would tie our hair together.
그러나 키미만의 챗 GPT가 되어주던 할아버지에게는
Man, but you're not going to be the person I can talk to about the bunker.
The bunker?
금지어가 있었죠.
You're a German spy.
No!
키미는 결국 공짜 상담을 포기하게 됩니다.
Grenade!
Jacqueline, we have a problem.
직장에 그녀의 비밀 캐기에 진심인 애가 있었지만
Her past doesn't matter. And you, of all people, don't get to judge her. Take your spoiled ass upstairs and go to your rooms.
비밀을 이해하고 편을 들어주는 유료 친구도 있었고
Sorry you had to cover for me.
썸남까지 생겼으니까요.
Maybe tomorrow I'll go with you.
Sure.
그러나 키미는 반갑지 않은 전화를 받게 되는데요.
Kimmy's professional work phone.
Hey, Kimmy, it's me.
How did you get this number?
I got the letter you sent me. It's on Barbie stationery. It has pizza grease on it.
I'm gonna kill you.
과거를 떠올리게 하는 자매들은 그녀에게 별로 좋지 않은 기억이었죠.
Why would you send that letter? I'm fine. I don't need to talk about it.
도망치듯 출근한 키미.
Are you praying? Do you need a bucket?
It's called outside in living, Kimmy. And Mr. Voorhees called, and he won't be coming back for another 6 weeks. They need a photo of you for Buckley's caregiver ID.
보호자 등록을 위해 15년 만에 사진을 찍는데
You just reverse the camera and press the button.
언제 이렇게 늙어버린 거죠?
Is this what my face looks like now?
거울이 없던 벙커에서 보냈던 15년 세월의 흔적은 낯설기만 했고
And your nose is super skinny. Now I can't stop looking at these lines here. I hate them.
키미는 제클린을 따라 동안 제조의 최고라는 병원을 찾습니다.
These people are already pretty. Why are they even here?
딴 건 몰라도 팽팽해지는 데는 최고인 것 같은 의사.
Dr. Fluff is here. Interesting skin you have. Because you have very distinct scream lines.
키미는 홀린 듯 생애 첫 시술을 받게 되죠.
Oh, Kimmy, I'm so excited for you.
한편 절호의 기회를 맞이한 타이투스.
Spider-Man 2, Too Many Spider-Men. The show will go on.
This is it. This is my chance.
신나서 오디션을 보러 가지만
Well, well, well. This is Rich.
I haven't seen you in years.
For an open call for a play directed by the third Affleck brother, Myron.
타이투스는 인생이 꼬인 건 그에게 첫 배역을 빼앗겼기 때문이라고 생각했는데요.
I'm never auditioning again. So there I am, standing in line for this cattle call. My nemesis, the man who stole my career. And now he's walking around in shoes and socks like a big shot.
멋진 외면으로 해결해 보기로 하죠.
You have to work from the outside in. Then anything is possible.
Why are you keeping this important man waiting?
놀랍게도 효과가 있는 멋진 외면. 순식간에 소속사가 생긴 것까진 좋았지만
I like you, Titus. How do I know you? The mole women.
키미까지 캐스팅되는 건 예정에 없는 일이었죠.
I want a whole new face.
기겁한 키미는 얼굴을 바꾸기로 하는데요. 트라우마는 수술대 위까지 따라왔고
Great. Like a meadow.
Wait, is that the bunker?
Full house, baby?
Febreze. We'll fix your inside.
성형으로 아무것도 극복할 수 없다는 걸 깨닫습니다.
Mrs. Voorhees? Listen, outside in doesn't work.
문제를 해결하려면 직면해야 한다는 거였죠.
If you think your husband's cheating on you, you have to confront him.
Titus Andromedon, kinetic talent.
타이투스는 그토록 꿈꾸던 오디션을 봅니다.
And then that other Spider-Man
결과는 탈락이었지만
How'd the auditions go?
stood up and asked me to leave because I did not get the part. But who did I see on my way out? What are you doing here?
잘 나가는 줄 알았던 라이벌도 사실 비슷한 처지란 걸 알고 나니 고소해졌죠. 키미도 앞으로 진짜 문제를 외면하지 않기로 합니다.
Hello? It's Kimmy. I think you should come visit me in New York.
드디어 신디가 오는 날.
Good morning, Black.
What?
I thought we could have nicknames. Look, I know you think I'm still a little clueless about how the world works. I always had to look out for her.
동생처럼 돌보던 신디가 바깥에 잘 적응했는지 걱정이 한가득인데요.
So please help me take care of her while she's here.
Of course, Kimmy Schmidt.
본인이나 걱정하는 게 나을 것 같습니다.
Did you get my text?
And I texted you back. It's a photo of a man's penis. I read that people text them to each other.
Let go, mister! Leave her alone! Hey, stop!
Cindy, this is New York.
He's my boyfriend!
I'm Brandon. So good to meet you.
신디는 너무나도 잘 지내고 있었고
Is that Brandon Yeagley? Do I remember your middle school crush?
예상보다 더 완벽한 연애 중인 것 같았습니다.
Hi, I'm Brandon.
Titus Andromedon.
하지만 타이투스는 그가 게이라고 주장했죠.
She's got a job and a house.
Yeah, that boy's gay. And there's a stain on his jeans that could only be from revarnishing an Edwardian escritoire.
What?
It's gay for desk.
잘 살고 있는 것처럼 보였던 신디.
Just call up and say we're mole women.
불쌍한 두더지 여인이란 타이틀을 완벽히 이용하고 있었습니다.
Because when people find out you're a mole woman, they feel bad for you and they give you free stuff.
It really is pretty great.
So you both get stuff out of this.
진짜 게이였던 남자친구는 사실
You're an escritoire.
I'm a desk? I mean, I don't know what that means.
불쌍한 두더지 여인에게 주어지는 호의 중 하나였죠.
So you're doing all this to make her happy?
You left, so everyone back home is stepping up. Please don't ruin it for her.
그 사이 가정교사 찰스와의 썸을 만끽하던 키미.
You're not gay, right?
Straight guys can be vegetarians.
Hey, you. What's going on?
I want us to get to the next level.
뜬금없는 전화 고백에 연애에 돌입합니다.
Okay, dude. I'm in.
이때 브랜드는 불쑥 청혼까지 밀어붙였고
What the hell, Brandon?
I think we all just want Cindy to be happy.
신디가 자신처럼 진짜 사랑을 찾길 바랐던 키미는 그의 비밀을 폭로하죠.
Brandon is gay.
나 빼고 다 알고 있던 비밀을요.
I know what I'm doing!
You know? Then why? He just feels sorry for you.
Who cares? I'm happy. I'm actually doing what I said I was gonna do back in the bunker. But you're a 29-year-old babysitter who lives in a basement.
전곡을 찔린 키미는 남자친구에게 달려가는데요.
Maybe when you called me and said you loved me?
I guess I butt dialed you.
이 또한 오해였음을 알게 됩니다.
I love you.
Me too, dude.
Too. I thought it was weird when you said troll the respawn, Jeremy.
키미의 첫 연애는 허무하게 증발했죠.
I thought that this was just fun.
Me too. I was trying to have fun and then I made everything weird.
It'd probably be for the best.
Got it.
키미는 신디와의 만남으로 중요한 것을 깨닫습니다.
Cindy, I'm sorry.
방법이야 뭐가 되었든 하고 싶었던 것을 해야 한다는 것.
And I know where I'm gonna start.
배움이 고팠던 키미는 검정고시반에 들어가는데요.
I am Dom.
I'm Kimmy.
좀 모자라 보이는 친구와 성희가 실종된 선생님을 만나게 되죠.
Today's lesson, the 1989 Tom Berenger movie, Major League.
Excuse me, teach?
뭔가를 가르칠 생각이 전혀 없었던 선생님은 변명에도 인색했습니다.
My teaching style may be unconventional, but
I want to transfer to another GED class.
Lefkowitz is teaching GED?
하지만 행정실에서는 한 번 더 항의가 들어오면 그를 자를 거라고 했죠.
One more screw up and he'll never teach again.
How was school?
My teacher doesn't want to teach, but I don't want to get him fired.
피해를 끼치긴 싫었던 키미는
That's what happened to Mr. L. He lost his love of teaching.
그의 잃어버린 열정을 되살려주기로 결심했고
Can you go to Jacqueline's house for me?
빈집을 확인해달라는 제클린의 부탁을 떠넘기게 되죠.
That place is empty. I will watch Jacqueline's house. I'm making a music video.
뮤직비디오를 찍으려던 중이었던 타이투스.
Pinot Noir, candy bar.
No wonder no one's in there.
그럴듯한 장소를 찾지 못해 곤란하던 중이었는데요. 부잣집에서 촬영을 욕심해 냉큼 부탁을 받아들였지만
These are 70s TV stars.
냅다 사고를 칩니다.
Come on, Spirit Gum.
그리고 이 집 금쪽이와 마주치죠.
Handyman to fix his curtain rod.
There's actually a few more things she wants you to fix.
친구들과 버려놓은 난장판을 해결해야 했던 젠피티는 의심을 쉽게 거두는데요.
I'll be back. You stay here.
욕심을 버리지 못했던 디바는 현행범으로 딱 걸려버렸죠.
You're in the Matrix.
You're in the Matrix.
I already used them. We're friends with Kimmy.
Kimmy let you in.
젠티피는 키미를 자를 건수를 잡고 신이 났지만
Bye bye, little dork Fanani.
You mess with Kimmy and your daddy'll find out you and your friends trashing his home.
타이투스의 게이더 덕분에 극적인 협상을 타결하게 됩니다.
We'll help you clean up your party. You lay off Kimmy.
Okay.
키미는 열정 되살리기에 착수하는데요.
The PS0 yearbook from 1994. To Winston Zedmore High. All thanks to Mr. Lefkowitz. And that man is here today. Mike?
Is that Mike Stampone?
You ruined my life!
그간 말아먹은 인생이 하나가 아니었던 막장 선생.
He went to the worst high school in New York City because of me.
I tried to keep you from getting fired.
I can't get fired. I've got tenure.
대기 발령을 손꼽아 기다리고 있었습니다.
Todd, this. So if you're too incompetent to teach, they send you here. You get paid to sit around all day.
You're trying to get sent here.
And I'm so close.
키미는 이길 수 없는 싸움이란 것도 있음을 배우게 되죠.
You complain, I win. You fail, I win. I'm a winner.
그러나 형편없는 수업에서 스스로 깨우친 키미.
That's it. Mr. L wants us to fail so he never has to work again. Pass the whole fudging test.
불량 교사에게 재직 기간 연장이라는 형벌을 내리죠.
You're a star. Listen to Tom Berenger.
그 사이 중국으로 날아간 제클린.
Not for liars and cheaters.
You think I'm having an affair?
줄리안의 외도를 잡아내는데 실패합니다.
But I apologize for working so hard.
Whom exactly am I supposed to be having this affair with?
냉담한 가장은 드디어 뉴욕으로 돌아오는데요.
He just denied everything.
If he's not going to admit that he's having an affair,
I'll have to catch him red-handed. Julian took a call in his office. Listening on my husband's phone calls would be crazy.
Yuko, you can't keep me waiting that long.
그는 유코라는 일본 여성과 외도 중이란 것이 확실해 보였고
Tonight, at our dinner party.
조강지처는 두 사람을 망신 줄 계획을 준비합니다.
is talcum powder part of your plan?
It sure is.
But what am I going to wear?
I must make you over.
중요한 역할을 맡은 키미도 한껏 꾸미고 파티에 참석합니다.
Oh, good, you're here. Shut the doors. I've seated Julian directly across from Yuko. Julian won't be able to resist a little toe play.
남편의 못된 습관을 잘 알고 있는 제클린은 은밀한 함정을 설치하죠.
After dinner, when they stand up in front of everyone.
No chaperone.
정성껏 준비한 파티가 시작되고
Did you two enjoy Hale Moekalohe?
The resort in Maui?
Pen. Last time I saw one of those was in an X-ray.
I was there a couple of weeks ago to check it out, thinking about renting out the whole place for our anniversary.
능청스럽게 상류층 연기 중이던 키미와
I'm Logan.
Kimberly, charmed.
Ah, konnichiwa. So how's Broadway treating you?
타이투스에게는 미션이 주어지는데요.
Let it go. Let it go.
두 사람은 전에 없던 기회에 잔뜩 들떴지만
I've been watching you, Kimmy. I know what you're trying to do here. Flirting with Logan Beekman.
Wait, what? I'm just having fun.
오늘도 키미의 약점만 찾아 헤매던 청소년은 한껏 올라간 기분을 끌어내렸죠.
Because it's gonna end. I promise.
I would like to propose a toast. Well, first, I would like to thank everybody. I have a confession to make. Ladies and gentlemen, raise a glass to Yuko 3000.
My name is Yuko.
유코의 정체는 복수를 준비한 두 여자를 바보로 만들었는데요. 고철 덩어리에게까지 진 것 같아 비참한 기분을 느끼던 제클린.
Neat for Mr. Voorhees.
Just a robot destroying my marriage, driving me insane.
Birds do it.
Bees do it.
Why do robots keep getting in the way of my dreams?
Hello, Mrs. Voorhees.
I was like you once. I was shiny and pretty and new. So take a good look, because this is your future.
Would you like to cook for Mr. Voorhees? In which you state, quote, I only cook in the bedroom.
대형 사고를 치고 말았죠. 로봇에게 자격지심을 느낀 두 인간은 유코를 파묻으려 합니다. 한 인간이 인간성의 끝을 자랑하는 순간
What the living hell are you doing? You go right away!
한 인간은 기회를 얻었죠.
You're the singer from the party. I've got just the role for you at my restaurant.
Restaurant?
I'm a producer of dining experiences.
Professor Dracula's spooky laboratory and bar and grill.
엄청난 사건을 벌인 제클린은 부부 상담을 받게 되는데
So let's get started.
범인은 현장에 들어온다는 것을
Where did you get that pen?
At this resort I went to.
You do look awfully tan.
Be cool about it.
Damn it, Barbara.
두 눈으로 확인하네요.
She's not crazy.
Hey, there you are.
파티 시작부터 키미에게 관심을 보이던 로건이란 남자가 이 차를 제안했지만
Do you want to swing by with me?
I can't.
Come on. This party's dead.
기회를 엿보던 고딩 덕분에
You work here, and I'm guessing your last name actually isn't Von Lobster.
I should get back to work.
신데렐라의 마법은 끝이 납니다.
Goodbye, Kimberly Tiara Von Lobster.
하지만
Mr. Beaker?
Beaker's not my last name. If you weren't trying to get close to my family, why did you lie?
It was just trying to act like I belonged.
재벌 이세와의 로맨스가 열렸죠.
So can we just start again?
Yes. Okay.
그렇게 순조롭게 풀리는 듯하던 뉴욕살이
You probably recognize it from the opening of the show Friends.
Great Chandler's Ghost from TV.
Only in New York, kids.
하지만 검정고시 스터디는 순조롭지 않았는데요.
My study group has already fallen apart. I'm never going to get my high school diploma.
치명적인 수학 능력의 소유자였던 키미.
I need Dong. He's good at math.
That's racist.
But he is good at math.
Dong, it's Kimmy from GED class. I need a math tutor, big time.
너무 바빠서 공부할 틈이 없다는 동을 돕는 대신 공부를 배우기로 하죠.
Okay. Study buddies.
제클린 부부는 결국 이혼하게 됩니다.
This prenup is pretty ironclad.
하지만 혼전 계약서 내용은 철저히 줄리안에게 유리하도록 작성되어 있었고
Oh, God. It's peanuts.
쥐꼬리만한 양육비를 견딜 수 없었던 그녀는 이혼을 취소하게 됩니다.
Great news. We're not. Julian and I are staying together.
He cheated on you.
$3,400.
Mrs. Voorhees.
I've made my decision, Kimmy. Now, where did I leave my phone?
키미는 그녀의 자유를 위해 이혼하고 더 잘 산다던 지인을 불러들였지만
Mimi Canassis.
Sorry to drop in unannounced, but I got a message from someone named Kimmy.
You called Mimi?
I did. Maybe you'll listen to someone who's been through it.
My divorce was the best thing that's ever happened to me. I can't do this.
지인들도 다 똑같은 사람들이었습니다.
I want all of this back so bad. All I got in the settlement was the Hamptons house.
All I'll get is $1 million.
What?
화딱지가 난 키미.
I'm sorry. I'm having a bad day.
스터디에도 집중하지 못하는데요.
But you're not allowed to be sad in Central Park.
동은 자신이 좋아하는 순간을 공유하며 기분을 풀어주었고
And all of my favorite scenes were always right here in this park.
키미는 그와 제법 가까워졌다는 걸 깨닫죠.
That ain't the friends found, but the real ones in a studio lot in Burbank.
기분이 나아진 키미는 다시 제클린 이혼시키기에 나섭니다.
You're coming with me right now. If my roommate and I can live here on nothing.
Wait, you live here? Is unacceptable. You need to lock him down now.
하지만 제클린은 서민의 삶에 기겁하고 도망갔고
I'll kill you, Kimmy. And who Jackie docked my pay because of you? Do you not know how to make a change?
I'm not good at math.
And you just lost $200. And I never should have agreed to help you.
You're supposed to be teaching me math, and I haven't learned anything.
스터디도 날아갔죠.
Well, Kimmy, Julian's coming home tonight. Do the math, Kimmy. It's not enough money.
$100,000 times 12 months.
그러나 어느새 제대로 된 계산을 할 수 있는 몸이 되었던 키미.
Using the compound interest formula.
Your money would almost double.
I'm maths, and you can get divorced.
It's not really about the money. I'm afraid of starting over.
I'm a mole woman.
자신이 두더지 여인이라는 것까지 공개하며
I got a room and a job. I do understand the world, Mrs. Voorhees.
제클린의 재결합을 막아내고
USA! USA!
Dong, finally. I'm sorry, and I promise I'll pay you back somehow.
공과의 시간이 헛되지 않았다며 사과를 전합니다.
I worked so hard just trying to get on my feet. I'm this close to being out on the street.
Dong, your English. It's amazing.
You make my English better. Study buddies.
둘은 쌍방으로 도움이 되는 관계였죠.
Kimberly, Wow.
후련해진 키미는 로건과의 데이트를 즐기는데요. 의도치 않게 누군가의 마음에 상처를 주고 만 것 같네요. 뉴욕에서 맞이한 서른.
I'm nothing but pumped.
그와 동시에 하나도 안 반가운 사람들이 나타납니다.
Happy birthday.
Is this your family?
They are not my family.
키미가 실종된 사이 엄마와 재혼한 새아빠 랜디와 이부 동생 키이미.
I'm sorry, but I don't want you here.
I just wanted to bring you your birthday present in person.
그들은 질색하는 키미에게 선물만 건네고 순순히 돌아갔죠.
Tonight is more than just a party now, Titus.
키미는 첫 생일 파티를 절대로 망치고 싶지 않았는데요.
Aw, clothes.
시작부터 비싼 선물을 보낸 로건 덕분에 기대치는 한껏 상승해버렸죠.
Tonight is about the birthday girl.
I will handle the music.
Thank you. I still have a lot of stuff to do.
Do you think you can help me?
Nobody's gonna want to steal that hunker.
No, it's Kimmy's birthday present.
사실 이 파티의 가장 열정적인 사람은 따로 있었습니다.
Came to see if you need any help.
가난한 불법 체류자, 스터디원. 재벌 남친과의 대도 않는 경쟁에 스스로 뛰어들었죠.
Okay, so we both got ice.
랜디가 주고 간 엄마의 목걸이는 키미의 기분을 조금 누그러뜨렸지만 돌아온 둘을 보자 효력을 잃어버립니다.
I can't find the car.
I'm sure it'll only take you 15 years to find it.
Can I just borrow your phone?
Fine, but make it quick.
Hey. I got ice.
두 남자는 신경전을 벌이고
That's Don Wen. He's my study buddy.
불청객은 돌아갈 생각이 없고
Randy, you can't stay here.
정신 사나운 가운데
Has no one gotten the birthday girl a drink?
I've got some ice right here.
Oh, but it's beautiful. And thank you for all my gifts. And my bike, I love it. I'll ride it every day.
키미는 줬던 선물을 들고 튑니다. 게다가 키미 때문에 평생을 갇혀 살았다며 원망을 늘어놓고
My dad won't let me do anything because of you. Everyone hangs out at the Olive Garden on weekends, but I'm not allowed to go there. But you get mom's locket.
파티 분위기를 박살을 냈죠.
Kimi ran away.
키이미가 가출하며 절정에 이른 파티는
Can I borrow your bike?
No, Logan gave me that. You just lose it.
You made the Kimmy's bike?
Certainly not.
I built that bike because Kimmy is special to me.
두 남자의 싸움으로 피날레를 맞이합니다.
So it's pushy shovesies, is it?
Back attack!
Take that.
Go ahead, do it.
I'm going to. Watch.
Why are you fighting?
Bicycle is my present because of love.
Party over. Get out.
엉망이 된 파티에 키미는 어른의 삶이 생각보다 복잡하다는 걸 느꼈고
You, Kimmy Schmidt, are no O.J. Simpson, because you did it.
Being an adult is terrible.
랜디는 결국 키이미를 찾지 못하고 돌아오는데요.
I am such a mess up, Kimi. I never found you. I lost your mom.
동생이 어디 있는지 알 것 같았던 키미.
Kimi!
I'm sorry that you hate your life, but I don't want you to hate me.
어른스럽게 동생을 보듬어주며 그들을 가족으로 받아들였죠.
Thanks, Kimmy.
I love you guys so much.
How's your little love triangle going?
가족 문제는 해결했지만 아직 남아있었던 문제.
Enjoy the attention, woman.
Is that a dolphin with a bow on it?
No, you wouldn't say that.
Kimmy, I wanted to apologize for last night.
바로 연애.
I truly regret my behavior.
You're my boyfriend. Dong is just my friend.
로건은 앞으로 동을 만나지 말라고 했지만
You want me to tell Dong that we can't be friends anymore?
If you stay friends, he's always going to want more.
키미는 왜 친구로도 남을 수 없는지 이해하기 어려웠죠.
Do you think it's weird that Logan wants me to stop being friends with Dong?
Honestly, no.
한편 타이투스는 또 탐내던 역할을 빼앗기는데요.
When I auditioned to be Dr. Van Peebles, you told me, and I don't quote.
사장은 그 배역이 이성애자 캐릭터이기 때문이라고 설명했지만
Come on, Michael.
여기도 게인데요.
Michael? Why, he's as gay as I want to be.
Titus, I was just like you.
그는 친절히 연기 코치를 소개해줍니다.
Thanks to Le Loop.
Hello? Mr. Leloup? He said that you work with actors to help them as paid.
Is that he? It's not Leloup. Training begins immediately because tomorrow you have an audition for Entourage 2.
코치는 시작부터 강력한 목표 설정을 했고
It begins now. Scenario: two straight men attend a movie. Go.
타이투스는 이성애자다움을 익혀 스타가 되기 위해 분투하죠.
No! First of all, you're drinking beer.
그리고 드디어 이혼하는 제클린 부부.
They're getting divorced?
2 Christmases! Yeah!
Why would you tell Jacqueline to divorce my dad? And I have to go live in Connecticut.
젠티피는 얼떨결에 시골에 돌아가게 생겼는데요.
Are you all packed?
What? No, the lawyer said I don't move until the end of the semester.
So I'm coming to get you tomorrow.
No, you can't do that.
The one we knew before she invented teen angst.
This is BS.
The only BS around here is butternut squash. See you then.
I can't live there.
그동안 앙숙이던 키미에게 뉴욕에 남게 도와달라고 매달립니다.
Kimmy, put yourself in my shoes.
Okay, Zan, what are we gonna do?
Oi, we're not mates. I'm with Logan now.
키미는 동에게 선을 긋기 위해 찾아가는데요.
I'm so sorry, Hujaki.
It's your fault.
불법 체류자였던 동이 당장 미국에서 쫓겨나게 생겼다는 걸 알게 되고
I was out on a delivery, or else they would have got me too. This is my home.
And if that Dong Wang comes back, you guys let us know.
That's it. You're coming with me.
그를 자신의 집에 숨겨주게 됩니다.
I'm afraid I ruined everything between us.
It's not anyone's fault.
How it's so weird that people want to eat local.
And what's with all the bottled water?
I better carry my water with me while I walk to the water store.
Listen, Dong, I need you to know we'll just be friends.
Okay. Friends.
하지만 로건을 위해 확실히 선을 그었죠.
Hello, sugar walls. Nope.
로건은 부모님까지 소개해주겠다며 진도를 나갔지만
Your parents? Okay, sure.
I can't wait for you to meet Mum. I'm so glad we were able to put all that unpleasantness behind us.
Me too.
비밀을 알아버린 키미는 무거운 죄책감을 느끼죠.
I am at the address you sent me, but if I get murdered, then call the police.
젠티피와 키미는 정 떨어뜨리기 작전에 들어갑니다.
Is this a root cellar?
My black boyfriend is coming by with rum.
What's up, fellow prostitutes?
Kimmy, pay Cobra.
명연기를 펼쳤고
Hands off my girlfriend!
And you're dating a gay guy?
원하는 바를 이루게 되는데요.
I'm taking you back to the townhouse and letting your father deal with you.
키미와 친구로 지낼 수 없다는 걸 깨달아버린 동.
I don't think I can just be your friend. I'm sorry. I can't stay here.
스스로 이별을 선택합니다.
I just want to thank you. Seriously.
You're welcome.
큰 도움을 받은 젠티피는 드디어 키미와의 오랜 앙금을 풉니다.
Dude, come over here. I'm cyberbullying Mr. Finkel.
이때 갑자기 돌아온 엄마.
I'm not a crack whore. I'm Kimmy. That wasn't a crack den.
키미는 젠티피의 비행이 다 꾸며낸 짓이었다고 털어놓는데요.
But Zan is a good kid. I know.
Straight A's.
이 10대 소녀가 가짜 양아치라는 걸 발견했기 때문이었죠.
It's her waterproof birding journal.
You saw a thick-billed murr?
It was at Turtle Pond. It was glorious. I am gonna get you back for this.
젠티피는 너무너무 무서운 복수를 예고하며 시골로 끌려가 버리죠.
You look lovely.
모든 걸 다 해결한 키미는 드디어 예비 시부모님을 만나러 가는데요.
Dong's out of the picture.
He's not even in the United States.
What are you talking about?
I called them.
What?
And he was in the country illegally.
동을 신고한 사람이 로건임을 알고 이별을 선언합니다.
I want you to leave.
Are you kidding?
Get out.
진짜 끌리는 사람과 함께하기로 마음먹은 순간
I guess you can forget. Dong, wait. You can't go. You're kind. And you're funny. And I don't want to be your friend either. Because I like you. So you'll stay?
동은 둘의 관계에 파격적인 조건을 내걸었죠.
We should probably get married first.
키미는 고향에서 편지 한 통을 받게 됩니다.
The Reverend's trial is starting and they called me as a witness. Why do I have to go to a stupid trial? Jacqueline is flipping out about her divorce. Don wants us to get married before he gets kicked out of the country. I can't handle all this.
여러 가지 문제로 복잡했던 키미는 그를 보고 싶지도 않았죠.
Nope, you know what? Forget it. I'm just gonna go to the library and watch it. Bunker trial.
재판을 계기로 교주 웨인과 두더지 여인들에게는 다시 원치 않는 관심이 쏟아집니다.
My client won't be answering any more of your questions.
짜증나게도 매력적인 사람이었던 웨인은 특히 많은 관심을 받았죠.
The only thing I'm guilty of is trying to save these girls.
He's a bad person, but he sure is watchable.
You should go to Tristafe with me.
키미는 스트레스 해소를 위해 제클린과 함께 모임에 나가는데요.
I didn't think about anything else. Isn't it refreshing? Never forget where I was when Tristafe asked me to join the front row.
Oh no, not Cindy.
재판은 모른 척 해버립니다.
It's going real good here, except it's going real bad.
재판은 점점 불리해지고
I'd like to use one of our do-overs, please.
And our lawyers don't seem to know what the heck they're doing.
In Durnsville, we're just Marsha and Chris, not famously incompetent California prosecutors.
Yes, that ginger in the corner.
키미의 신부는 빠르게 치고 올라갑니다.
There is only here
There is only now.
기어코 맨 앞줄을 차지한 키미는 완벽히 사이비에 빠져들었고
Giacomo Finale.
I brought you to Spirit Cycle. And how do you repay me?
Now I guess I'll have to tell Tristafe that you forgot your place and yelled at a first row bike.
No, please.
What are you doing here?
I have to do is follow my bliss.
교주야 어떻게 되건 신경 쓰지 않기로 합니다.
If you don't go down there, they might set the Reverend free. Cammy. Okay, bye.
Find your beach, my little ponies. Jacqueline, get off my beach. Find your own.
I'm there! It's beautiful! Wait up! We need you in Durnsville! Kimmy, no! Don't leave us!
웨이는 진짜 종말이 올 거라고 주장하는데요.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury,
모두를 홀릴 정도의 그럴싸한 말빨을 자랑하죠.
figuring out the date of the apocalypse, June 6, 2006. But I wasn't about to give up on those girls. What if I had let them out? And then the rapture happened like 2 days later. It's coming. Good among us. Powerless against the faceless evil.
Closed. I'm powerless against the faceless evil.
홀릴 뻔한 카이투스는
Kimberly, that man is dangerous. No.
그가 위험인물이라며 키미를 설득하고
And you believed him.
Tristafe? No, I'm not locked up anywhere. I can go wherever I want. Oh!
자신이 어느새 또 다른 사이비에 빠졌었다는 걸 깨달은 키미는
I have to go to Durnsville.
재판에 참석하기로 합니다.
I'm coming with you, so I can see the trial without ads.
I just need to take care of something first.
맞서 싸우는 것의 중요함을 깨달은 키미는
That man is a fraud!
사이비의 실체를 폭로하고
It's Tristafe. It's Christopher!
제클린은 덕분에
I need to find out who I really am.
진짜 나를 찾기로 결심하게 되죠.
I'm going to Durnsville to testify against the Reverend.
어렵게 돌아온 고향.
I am so glad you're here. We need you this one last time.
Want to check out some of the old sites?
Randy, just take us to the courthouse.
법정으로 향한 키미는 웨인과 다시 마주합니다.
Not having a vitamin D deficiency certainly suits you.
이미 사람들을 구워 삶은 그는 거의 법정의 아이돌이었고
That man right there wouldn't let us leave the bunker.
And of my Verizon contract.
두더지 여인들의 변호사는 그냥 돌머리였죠.
Your Honor, I would like to submit this dictionary.
Wait, that's your first piece of evidence?
And only your...
I have many questions. I happen to love this town. You were running away from home, from Durnsville.
I wasn't running from Durnsville. I was running away from her.
신들린 언변을 선보인 웨이는 순식간에 키미를 인디애나주의 역적으로 만듭니다.
If she had stayed in Durnsville, all of you would be rich right now. If it was so bad in the bunker, why didn't you just leave?
그리고 키미가 자의로 벙커를 떠나지 않았다고 주장하는데요.
Everyone to close their eyes and join me in a flashback. I had to throw you out that door and into that lake of fire.
키미는 종말이 없었다는 걸 확인한 순간부터 웨인과 대립했지만
Do it. I don't care.
I guess you wouldn't object if I sent Sister Cindy.
What?
그는 신디를 믿기로 키미의 마음을 흔들었고 결국 키미가 스스로 문을 닫게 만들었던 거죠.
Kimmy Schmidt chose to stay.
그의 아무 말에 넘어간 사람들은 키미를 비난합니다.
Kimmy Schmidt, the shame of Durnsville.
Golly, Kimmy!
Nice work, Jagweed.
그녀를 가장 의지했던 신디까지도
I could have gotten to Brandon before he decided to be gay.
I don't know who you are.
등을 돌렸죠.
Everyone hates me, even Cindy.
Kimmy, you can't give up. You are the dictionary definition of stick-to-itivity.
정말 자신의 잘못인지 고민하던 키미는 놓치고 있던 것을 떠올리고
You're a genius.
자매들을 찾아가는데요.
I know I messed up, and I can't undo what I did. But we have to make sure the Reverend goes to jail. We're going back to the bunker.
Bunker? Fine.
직접 증거를 찾기 위해 벙커로 향하죠. 거의 1년이 지났지만 그대로인 벙커.
It's all still here.
15년을 살면서 한 번도 본 적 없던 교주의 방으로 향했고 어두운 교주의 방에
How the heck are we ever gonna find anything if we can't turn on the...
불이 들어온 순간
How did the lights turn on?
Crank you for being a crank.
자매들은 15년을 돌렸던 미스터리 손잡이의 비밀을 깨닫게 됩니다.
Find something that will put him in jail for the rest of his life.
그리고 수상한 커튼으로 가려진
We're 20 feet underground.
그 이상의 비밀을 발견하죠.
But how are we gonna open this thing? June 6.
Una cinta de video.
There must be something important on here. This is our proof.
I have a confession to make.
진짜 아무 내용 없는 교주의 흑역사를요.
There's nothing. We've got nothing.
Crank, crank. Cindy, don't leave.
허무해진 자매들이 다투는 사이 랜디는 시장의 고양이를 잡겠다며 자리를 비웠고
See the headlines now. Grateful cat marries hero cop. Well played, Tree. I can drive wherever I want.
벙커의 문은 굳게 잠겨버립니다. 랜디는 돌아오지 않고
Would a skunk really fall in love with it?
다시 갇혀버린 네 자매는 서로를 탓하며 시간을 보내죠.
Sorry I'm keeping you from marrying a gay guy.
You always thought you were better than us.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
Oh my gosh. I speak Spanish.
No, you don't. I learned English like 2 years in.
If you don't know what it is?
Yes.
Why didn't you testify against the Reverend in English?
I've got mole sauce to sell.
You're using the mole women name to sell your sauce?
Where's my water?
한편 사라진 두 세입자를 찾으러 제클린을 찾아온 릴리안.
And she hasn't been home in days.
She had to testify in that trial thingy in Indiana.
Real talk. What is going on? That poor thing. I gotta go to Indiana.
Wait, don't leave.
혼자 있기 싫어하는 그녀와 함께 인디애나로 출발합니다.
Open door.
Oh, it's full.
제클린은 부자 사모님으로 사는 몇 년 동안 일반 상식은 다 잊어버렸는데요.
You gotta drive.
I haven't driven since.
아주 조금씩 어린 시절 기억을 떠올리기 시작합니다.
That's a key to my old tractor.
I don't want to raise a bunch of giant fluffy dogs.
Even my white grandfather knows what a damn buffalo is.
제가 아주 조금씩이라고 했죠?
Resuming route guidance. Proceed to highlighted route.
No, I am so sick of men like him bossing me around. We're going our own
Proceed
way.
to highlighted.
I like it. We don't need anyone. We're lost.
Where are we? When are we?
How do you find out who you really are when you're nothing?
Here's the plan. Prostitution.
아버지에게 배운 지식들은
And yellow is the east, where the sun rises.
The sun rises in the east.
그녀를 조금씩 바른 길로 이끌었고
Giant fluffy dogs.
They're buffalo.
어느새 제킬린으로서의 자아에 눈을 뜨게 되죠.
Everything Native Americans have been still with this nonsense.
Yeah.
Hooker, hey, bandits.
Hey! Oh, it's the Townville band! Get 'em, wolves!
재판 시간이 다가왔지만 여전히 갇혀있는 자매들.
Found my diary. Kimmy found a rat in the air filter today.
남탓 속에서 답을 찾아내는데요.
That's it. The rat.
바로 환풍구.
It's how we're getting out. Still no bars.
Look, I know I let you guys down 7 years ago. When the Reverend opened that door, I caved. But today, I'm going to reverse cave. And the Reverend still goes free. I'm live with you in the bunker for the rest of my life.
I'm almost there. A little bit higher. We made it. I've got bars. Ow!
Hey there, kids! I saved the cat!
두더지 여인들은 다행히 재판이 끝나기 전 법원에 도착하는데요.
No, don't mind me. Just making a birdhouse.
여전히 답은 없는 상황이었죠.
Hello. This man is a liar.
Gonna need to wrap this up.
New evidence?
키미는 시간을 벌어보려 교주의 비디오를 재생하는데요.
Come on, universe.
비디오의 거의 끝부분에는
You son of a bitch.
중요한 증거가 남아 있었습니다.
You taped your audition for The Apprentice on June 5th, 2006.
You never believed in anything.
Guilty!
교주는 종말을 맞이합니다.
Hey, did we just win?
What are you doing here?
다 끝나고 나타난 제클린은 부모님께 돌아가 자아를 마주하겠다며
Oh, but I won't be needing these anymore. Thank you, Kimmy Schmidt.
먼 길을 떠납니다. 그리고 잠시 잊혀졌던 동은
Immigration found me again. I had no choice.
결혼을 한다네요.
I got married, Kimmy.
마지막으로 키미가 고생하는 사이 여기저기에 얼굴을 비추고 다녔던 타이투스.
I'll take all the attention, all of it.
So we're scheduled to go on in about 3 minutes?
To be famous.
대차게 사고를 친 영상이 바이럴됐고
Moron! You're on the air!
I want to start over. Josh?
Titus! Dude, you are blowing up.
엄청난 주목을 받게 되어 스타의 꿈을 이루기 직전이었는데요.
This all worked out perfectly.
Don got married.
I saw your little video on the YouTube.
My wife.
납치되어 15년간 땅속에서 지냈던 키미의 성장기를 다룬 언브레이커블 키미 슈미트는 빠른 전개와 수위 높은 유머가 인상 깊은 시트콤입니다. 30분이 되지 않는 짧은 러닝타임 안에 쉴 새 없이 몰아치는 반전이 정신을 쏙 빼놓는 작품으로 미국 시트콤 특유의 자극적인 유머가 취향에 맞는 분들이라면 하루 안에도 정주행이 가능할 것 같은데요. 등장하는 인물 중 제정신인 사람은 하나도 없지만 사랑스럽고 유쾌한 기운이 넘치는 작품이었고, 마지막 등장한 타이투스의 강렬한 비밀 덕분에 다음 시즌의 내용이 기대가 됩니다.
1, 2,